Up next is a 2007 Harley-Davidson FXDSE in orange and black. Look at the paint on this. The SE means Screamin' Eagle, so you get special paint and a bigger engine. In this case, 110 cubic inch, made into a 6-speed transmission. A mystery to me. Why buy a bike like this and not ride it? It only has 5,500 miles on it. Let's take a listen. Yep, Vance & Hines drag pipes, known for their obvious stealth and ability not to be heard anywhere. This bike is in beautiful condition and priced right, and needs some love, as in to be ridden. Why would anybody buy a bike this nice looking, this nice running, and this nice sounding and not show it off? Bike would look excellent in your garage, parked next to anything. That process starts with a test ride at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos, where we're open 7 days a week.